Oh boy, it's cold, and I'm dreaming about being someplace else. You want to come with me? Oh, I think it's about time. Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and it has been freezing cold here in northeast Wisconsin. So cold. However, the one thing that is keeping me warm is the thought that pretty soon the new RV season, season 6, on the road outside of here will begin very soon. Yeah, I'm going to be out there exploring new state parks, new places in general, and I cannot wait because of course it'll mean it's a little warmer and I can just share everything that I'm doing this year with you. Now, as I get ready for the upcoming season, I started to think back about some places that I'd been in the past. And you know, when you do a video, you shoot a lot of video and you don't always use it in the episode or the video that I show you. So there's a lot of kind of behind the scenes footage, some lost footage, if you will. And I thought in this video this week, I'd share some of that lost video for you, stuff that has never been seen before, all in an effort to start thinking about the new season and thinking about getting warm quick, fast, and in a hurry. So we're going to look at videos from Georgia, Florida, and Wisconsin. So let's take a look at some of that lost video. Okay, so now I've got some footage of RVing in Georgia, some really great places. Hiking here at Bingham is great. A lot of trails to get around on, and as long as you pay attention to where you're going, you won't get lost. And I think you'll enjoy everything that's out here. Okay, just got wind from another ranger that there is an alligator in the road. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm far away from it, so I can see it or see something in the road. I'm so excited. Hopefully it'll still be there when I get there. This is cool. Okay, so I know this is a little crazy, but I wanna see if I can get a little bit closer. I've never seen this one this close. This is gonna be pretty cool. Hey, do me a favor. If you like the content you're seeing here on the channel, please click and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way, whenever a new video comes out, you'll be notified right away. So I started RVing in Florida. That's where I purchased my first RV and then my second, and did a whole rehab on that. But most of my RVing was in Florida, and I got to see some really great places. Here, check this out.
Now the water here at Blackwater River State Park is absolutely fantastic. You do have to watch out though, because the river does have a little bit of a current, and if you're not too careful you could, I guess, end up going downstream. But it's perfect weather to just hop in and just really enjoy it. You can fish here, some folks are doing that, or you can just come and chill, which is a little bit of what I'm doing. Okay, so this is a little crazy. Got a deer just hanging here. He's not even moving. There's another one right over here as well. And I'm just trying to go out and check out the park. So here we are again, second trip to falling waters, and last time there were at least some waters falling. This time no waters falling. One of these days perhaps I'll actually see the falling waters and see how it looks, and maybe it will be impressive.
And you know, I got here to Wisconsin last year, and although it was a short RVing season, I did get to explore some new places, like this.
So it took just under an hour, almost about 55 minutes to hike up here from the camping site where I'm at. And there were a couple of times in the middle of it I was like, no, I'm turning around. But I'm glad I got here. Look at this view. One of the best parts about going out and hiking, seeing things like this. So this is definitely cool being out here on this tip. You can easily see how if the water gets crazy, it might blow you over. But right now it's fun. Just a cool part of this hike. When you get here, there's a lot of stuff to do in terms of hiking. You get some beautiful views while you're out, and even in the cold, I have to admit, this hike was pretty special.
So there you have it, some of the never before seen video that I've shot in the past. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it's getting you fired up for the start of this season. Speaking of which, What gets you fired up when it comes to RVing and traveling? Leave a message in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys are thinking about as you get ready for this upcoming RV season. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV. It's just around the season. Time to get a lot of things done, prepped, and ready. I hope you are ready for what is going to be a unique and fun season right here. We'll see you next time.